Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Thankfully, with a little time and effort, you can wash most of your dry clean or dry clean only clothing at home. Cotton, linens, and durable polyesters can be washed in the washing machine, so long as they are placed in a laundry mesh bag and set at the most gentle cycle using a mild detergent and cold water. 27 January 2014.
Take our lead.
Consider some alternatives to dry cleaning, most of which work on nearly all fabrics. Dryer bags. Home dry cleaning kits are the #1 dry cleaning alternative. Delicate cycle. Place dry clean only items in the delicate cycle of a front-loading washing machine. Preventive care.
Take our lead.
They don't employ skilled labor and the results are usually poor when cleaning expensive garments and/or items with difficult stains. Because their focus is on getting your clothes in and out the door as fast as possible, they're not spending enough time on your garments to truly get them clean. The 14th of March 2013.
Let's help you make your mark.
But, as a rule, hand washing is always the gentlest way to wash and preserve your delicate items or items considered dry clean, such as silk, some synthetics, lace, wool, cashmere, and other knits. The explanation is simple: hand washing increases the longevity of textiles by preserving fibers and detailing. 27 April 2020.
Take our lead.
Laundering and dry cleaning are both processes designed to cleanse and desoil clothes and other articles. While both processes have their purposes, in general, dry cleaning is better for clothes, especially delicate items, than conventional washing in a machine. 1 December 2013.
Let's help you make your mark.
But, since it is devoid of water, unlike in wet washing, the kind of cleaning result varies significantly in dry cleaning. So, dry cleaning your sensitive fabrics is a must. Dry cleaning is really clean and useful for such delicate, heavily embellished clothing, which water cannot treat.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.